Lamborghini Urus, black whip. Damn, that's nice.
Turbo size, you said? 66. Well, then you're spinning in 4-wheel drive. What's up? What's going on, all you very unique people? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for joining for another video. Welcome to episode 13 of Milkshake Wednesday. Finally getting back after being sick. Sorry, I just need to change gears. Yeah, I was a bit sick, had the flu, but I'm all recovered. I'm fucking healthy, guys. So just the first thing, straight into this video. If you haven't already, check out the latest merch lineup. Drop 1 is live. You can order or pre-order through Instagram. The links are down below, so go check out the designs. Tell me what you guys like, tell me what you guys want. Grab some merch, support the channel, and help us just make some crazy shit in the future. I appreciate everyone that has supported so far over this past weekend. Stay tuned for the Ford Figo run. That is going to be wild. I'm busy working on that. That happened this weekend, so thank you to everyone who supported me and the company this weekend by buying stickers and stuff. So yeah, we are now on our way to Coda Joe's, as you guys know. Ooh, this Fiesta ST is playing with me. Let's get him around the corners. He's gonna pull away. This ST looks pretty sick. It's got some nice 17s on. They're a bit thick, always got a space on, but it looks sick. Okay guys, so as I said at the start of the video, supporting helps a lot. So City Golf's going to be repping U-neck stickers. So when I get them, yes, that thing's loud. So yeah, they're gonna rep some U-neck stickers. They just bought some. I want to just get them as they put them on, and yeah, just show you guys what they look like, since these will be the first ones.
Straight up.
Yeah,
Car's dirty after they do.
It's okay.
So I'm just thinking. Logo. Right here, man.
So it's, I used to call the media, like when I started off, U-neck media. So it was like a Y and an M, and that was like the inspiration behind.
No CA.
Eh?
No CA.
What the fuck CA?
YMCA, man.
Yeah. Damn, it actually looks nice. That's the first one, eh?
Really?
Yeah, you got the first one with the U-neck Originals logo.
Maybe it's just
You didn't tell me, bro. This the mint one actually looks pretty dope, eh? Fuck. Hey?
fucking mint.
Fucking mint cunt. Yo, I think that's gonna be my slogan. Fucking mint cunt. Yo. Oh, look up. Yeah, I must say your car looks fucking sick rolling. Like,
Thanks,
you can see it in the day rolling. Hey?
No, especially when it's clean and it shines.
Yeah, well, fuck the rain from out of nowhere.
Oh, it's your car, you don't ask me. Put it where you want.
But then you need to put his, where are you going to put the logo? Over there.
Oh, where? That would look nice.
Because the green will effect on the black.
Yeah. The Urus. Cheers, bro. Sheesh. Klinkt mooi en het lijkt mooi. Shit. ons gaan kry. Let's go get his car in. Yeah, it looks nice.
Die camera gaan, ek sê ek gaan nooit.
Sheesh. Badge delete. Damn, this thing looks sick. Yo, big brakes. These wheels are dope as well. Yo, fitment check. He's got a sick little spoiler. Damn. Oh, single exit exhaust. Fuck it. It's not a Subaru if it doesn't have a cannon. Sheesh. Optimus Racing. Damn, this thing's so nice. Nice and thick, guys. What do you guys think about this Subaru? Let me know in the comments down below. This is dope. Random guy just pulling up the sick Subaru. Boxburg, gotta love it. Guys, Milkshake Wednesdays are getting wild, getting a ride along. I'm gonna just ask him a bit now about the power and stuff, but we're gonna get a ride along in the Subi. A wild one. Let us know. Whew. I think I might. Shoo. I don't know if he's smiling. I don't know if I'm ready. Sure. Okay, if you don't mind, I don't know if you're camera shy. Just introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Marius. I'm the owner of Optimus Racing and I build Subarus.
Pretty wild Subarus. If you guys saw the precision turbo and the amount of detail that's on the engine. So you're based in Boxburg?
Benoni. My shop used to be in Boxburg. Due to
COVID, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons. And family members falling ill. I had to move back to the house. I've got a big workshop at my dad's plot. So, yeah.
Well, that works out cheaper as well because then you save on like building costs and stuff.
Yeah.
Or having to rent a place.
Yeah, no, true.
And so just a bit more about this car. What have you done to it?
This is a 2011 WRX. I've taken the 5-speed out. I've put in a 6-speed box.
Okay.
Well, basically all drivetrain, completely built motor, 1600cc injectors, precision 62 turbo.
Is this on also I think it's the F820?
No, this is the EJ25.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Did you swap that in?
No, they come with the EJ25.
Oh, I think the facelift of these come with the F820.
Yeah, the F820 DIT.
Yeah, and those are
models.
shit. Okay, jeez. Am I right in saying you did big brakes as well?
Yeah, Brembo brakes in the front. I basically had a limited edition Legacy GT Spec B that I built for my mom. Unfortunately, my little sister passed away 5 weeks ago, so she didn't need the car anymore.
Wow.
So I basically took that car, dismantled the brakes, the drivetrain, all that, and I stuck it in here because these cars are based on the Legacy platform.
Okay.
Everything was bolt on.
So for you, is this like a do you do Gymkhana or like track car?
No, because I build these cars for a living, this is basically just to showcase my work.
Okay.
It's not really built for specific.
The engine bay looks absolutely insane. Like the amount of detail that's on there, and like I see you've got like a couple of imported parts as well.
Yes.
You try and stick to JDM specific?
Jerry from Import Parts, he's my parts guy.
Okay.
All my parts that I buy from him. So Wasika pistons, manual rods. The crank is from the agents themselves. They do an upgraded version on the crank, which is a Night Rider crank.
Okay.
So for the same price you can get a stronger crank, so it's got that in. And then just the basic stuff, kinetic gate gaskets, ARP head bolts. At the moment I'm still running a stock exhaust manifold.
Wow.
Custom downpipe, custom uppipe, turbo smart wastegate. Turbo smart dump valve with the AMS cooler, custom boost pipes.
Mishimoto radiator.
Yeah, Mishimoto radiator, and 1600cc injectors. And that's about it.
Turbo size you said?
62.
Did you split
wheel spinning is insane. Is that like the screamer pipe as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Stevie just sounds so much better with the screamer pipe. Jeez. I see that single pipe conversion.
Yeah.
Something you like, it's just like.
Did that to sort of break the norm a bit.
Okay.
I like the older Gen Subarus with the jab style
Single
exhaust
pipe,
system
yeah.
at the back. So I've tried and gone for that. So I still need to sort out the bump at the back and see what I'm gonna do there. Closing
Do
up
you
the...
by any chance follow Dustin Williams? Because do you know about him?
Yes, him and a friend of mine are actually very good mates.
Really? Jeez,
but
that's
as
awesome.
far as I know, he's not really into the Subaru scene anymore. He's
It's
gone
more
over to
like
BMWs and stuff
and
now.
Nissan, yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, so just for anyone who wants to contact you, is there a number, Instagram?
You can find me on Facebook, Optimus Racing, OPTIMUS Racing.
Yeah.
My name is Marius. Number is 076 2277 441. If you've got a Scooby and you need help,
and you want to make it insane, just contact him. I'm going to link your stuff down below as well so they can contact you. Thank you very much, guys. The car's wild, and I definitely hope we see you around.
Yeah, no, definitely. Still needs a bit of work more done. That's only on low boost now, so.
I literally have a thing about my channel. Every time I get a ride with someone, it's on low boost.
Yeah,
Every car's been low.
I can show you the.
I trust you. But
when we tuned it the other night, we had clutch issues because I'm running a stock clutch. I want to drive it to events and stuff like that. I don't want to shut and all that, so we've stuck with
any
the stock
events
clutch.
that are coming up for you guys that are going to?
No, I'm part of a Scooby group. We mainly do charity runs, so we help out communities with food parcels and stuff like that.
From my side, I would say that if you guys are ever doing something, let me know. I do like after movies and stuff for breakfast runs, so let me know, and I'd be keen to. I love Subis, like it's one of my favorite cars, so definitely be keen to get you guys around. Thank you so much. I appreciate
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Yo, absolutely wild, man. Yo. I've never felt four wheels going sideways so easily. Whew. Dude, we can four-wheel drift. Then you... Dat was baie lekker. Jy gaan gou Ede meld. Ja, ons al die pad in Benoni en toe kom ons gou terug. Yes, dude, four-wheel drifting. Like second gear gaat dit nog steeds so. Yes, everyone's just buying one time, eh? Is it cold now?
Yeah, it's just.
Ja, ik ben nou net zo. Dat is wat je net doet.
Jeez, guys, hectic. Ja, I ga nou nie uit editen.
Deleted scenes.
Hashtag bloopers. Nadat die einde gespeel het, gaan hierdie spelen van mense wees. Ja.
Ek gaan famous wees.
That's what
How's it, Jazza?
That's what happens when
Professional poos number 2.
Yeah.
What?
That's when you stay up long.
How's it guys? My name's Jazza.
My name is Jono. My name is Jono.
Ja, jy kan Jono wees, want Jono is die ander poes.
Jy, Jono.
My naam is John, nie Jono nie.
Jy is nou Jono, wat just van voor is af nou, in hierdie video.
Jono is a
Oh,
joker.
it's no, it's up, my boy.
Jono is a joker.
Oh jeez. Don't launch until like...
You will pop, buddy.
Hier, ek kom van Apple, bro. Ek kom van Ek nog aan daai kant.
Yo,
Verkeerd dit ook nooit.
which way is Joss going? Hey?
Nice meeting you.
Bye bye, lekker aan verder, baie dankie, ek waardeer dit. Yo, los ons om hier. Bye bye, lekker aan verder. Fucking me.
Ek het fucking kort in my lewe gevind. Ja, dit is vir my hand
I'll be standing in the streets till everyone has left.
Thank you, Oscar.
What a wild night, guys. I love Milkshake Wednesdays. You guys should pull through, become part of the Corrupt crew. Support Unique Originals, go buy some merch, go buy some stickers. Thank you to the guys that have and gals who have already. I appreciate that so much. Yeah, Milkshake Wednesdays, gotta love it. Always got some action. Low, yeah, boy. Looks like you ate out. Jeez! Fucking hectic. That's absolutely wild, guys. That car is insane. Optimus Racing, go check him out. Absolutely insane with Subarus. And yeah, definitely going to keep envisioning my future with a car build that I want to do with that, man. Will be sick. Are we gonna feature this man's car in the comments? Yes. Okay. So, what do you want to do on next week?
Yeah, we can do it on
Milkshake Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, then we're gonna find out a bit more about what he's done to the car. Because it might look stock, but it's a bit of a sleeper, eh? Bit of a sleeper.
It's got. There's rumors on this.
There's rumors. So next week Wednesday, featuring his ST180. Sounds insane. Okay, guys. What a way to end off episode 13 of Milkshake Wednesdays. Oh, guys, I gotta love it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, what a wild night. I really had an awesome time with Marius from Optimus Racing. Absolutely insane Subaru. I'm not really sure how much power it makes. I didn't get that question out of him unless he did say it, and I just didn't hear him because he was accelerating so fast and forward drifting. It's insane. But thank you guys so much for joining. Everyone that joined up to make us reach 1,000 subscribers, I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more content. There's some crazy Ford Figo content coming. A little run that we had recently, so stay tuned for that. Busy working on it, so trying to get it finished as ASAP as I can. What the fuck am I saying? I'm trying to finish it as soon as I can. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining. Hope you guys have a sick evening. Keep the positive vibes flowing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!
Memphis, man.